It's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today, we're making Vietnamese spring rolls. In these spring rolls, we're going to be doing our yellow pepper, our green onion, we've got purple cabbage, we've already chopped up our carrot, we're using vermicelli noodles, and we've got our rice paper. So we're putting shrimp in these spring rolls, and we're actually cooking them up in our Persian lime infused olive oil. It's just gonna add so much awesome flavor. Ooh, don't those look yummy? Lime oil, basil oil, shrimp, you can't go wrong. I'm not going to try eating one of these because they are sticky and kind of messy, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. It's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today, we're making, oh man, blanked.